Hello, here we are. I'm back again. Alright, this is a little video that I just did there. So I decided to hook this one up to show you that it works great. It's like I said, meter's different color. So is the other meter. It was nice blue with a nice red. It really like keyed up my good, but the needle just I can't get it right there. Just don't work. So let's see. I gotta get out of here. So this is the same. Here, I'll just show you. Do a quick way through. Here we're on 125.65. Same thing all the way down through to all the way up to. Frequencies are no difference between the two radios. Everything's the same. I'm gonna go up here where I'm safe, so I don't bug any truckers, because they're thankful they're on the road still helping us out. So everything's the same with the two radios. I thought this was, but no, power's the same. Audio 1, 2, 3. Audio. Power's the same. 50 watts. I'm full power. 50 watts, same thing. You get the talk back and your Roger beep. Hello, 1, 2. And of course, your full echo. And believe it or not, people, this is all just from a stock mic. Like, a stock mic. Like, you don't need a power mic with these radios. You just have a perfect working stock mic, and that's just to prove this mic what was hooked up to both these radios. The first radio I made, you'll see of this with this radio was all with this mic. And now I'm using the same mic on this radio here, and I'll show you. We'll calibrate just to show you that I'm not pulling no legs. And this meter, man, it works great. Like, I had no issues with this meter. And audio, man, audio. Oh shoot, here, let's take this off. There shouldn't be any difference. Audio, there you go. 40 for 50% modulation. I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell you. These radios, Galaxy 99Vs, DX 99V, sorry, get you from 25 175 to 28. 28. Look, I'm not saying 26. Oh, here we go. 28. Oh, yeah, 28, because I pushed out to get you one channel more. And you can even jump one channel more just because of the 10 cc's. There you go, people. Like I say, we gotta fight this virus. Stay in. We don't care, let the corona get us. Keep clean, man. Keep safe. And take care of loved ones. Great radios. I got no complaints about these radios. Never had a complaint about drifting or anything. I shot a lot of skip on this one. I don't know what they actually do on sideband. I never checked it out on sideband. But we can always audio 1, 2, 3. Audio. audio. Well, oh, no wonder. Ooh, man, let's get out of here. Sorry. Go down. Let's go here. Alright. Audio. Audio. There you go. That's upper side or lower side. Now that's the upper side. Audio. There you go, people. Audio. Audio. Ooh, this one's a little bit more over 50. I thought it was a lot more than that, but oh, there you go. Currently, both of them are 50 watts maximum power output. So, hope you enjoy these videos on the Galaxy pt2a-b. Stay clean, stay safe, and we can beat this one. Cheers.